Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are talking about brands that I want to try in 2024, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. So today I have this very strange lip on. I kinda like it but kinda don't, I don't know. It's kinda summery and we are in October, but the weather is practically summer this weekend, so let's just say that it's July and we can move on. So I have a list with brands. I want to mention some brands that of course I'm gonna try more of, but I have some new brands for this list as well. I am right now on a low buy. I've been the whole year, but still I tried a bunch of makeup. Next year I hope I'll be even better and buy less makeup, but I still have some brands that I would like to try. This is just for fun and I'm gonna do an update at the end of 2024. So let's start with the brands that probably I will test something from. We have beige, Benefit, Fenty, Huda, Natasha Denona, Rare Beauty, Too Faced. So, Too Faced actually is not a brand that I tried too much from. This year, did I try something from Too Faced? I keep repurchasing the brow gel, but anyway, so I have this brand that probably I will try something from. They are, anyway, on my radar. Then I have Charlotte Tilbury on the list. I'm still hoping that Charlotte Tilbury will be in Sephora Romania at some point, but I'm kind of losing hope. It feels like Charlotte Tilbury is available anywhere else but not in Romania. I don't get it. I don't understand, but Charlotte Tilbury, it is on my list. I think this year I didn't try anything new from Charlotte Tilbury, but I'm finishing the products that I have, and next year I want to finish the lipstick that I have from Charlotte Tilbury, so maybe I'm gonna purchase something else. Next on my list is Makeup by Mario, and I was surprised. Makeup by Mario is actually available in Romania at Sephora, so how is Makeup by Mario available and Charlotte Tilbury or NARS is not? I don't understand, but from Makeup by Mario, I have a quad in my wish list. I am curious about that, so probably I'm gonna buy that. I will buy maybe a lip product or something as well. I may even try Makeup by Mario before 2024, but anyway, we will talk about it in the next update. But yeah, so that I would like to try. Then I would like to try more from Makeup Forever, because it's not a brand that I'm that excited about, but I feel like they have really good formulas. I have a lipstick from Makeup Forever and I have the setting spray. They are both really nice. The lipstick, the liquid lipstick, it's a very interesting formula because it is drying out completely, but it looks so smooth on the lips. I actually really enjoy it. So maybe I'm gonna try something new from Makeup Forever, because I think it is a really good brand. Next on my list is Rare Beauty, and I'm a bit disappointed in the brand because I was not in love with the products that I tested. They are available at our Sephora. I want to try the lip products from Rare Beauty, especially the lipstick, because I tried the lip oil and it's not the best in my humble opinion. So I would like to try the skinny lipsticks or the normal matte lipsticks. Then I have Tarte on my list, and in my wish list I have another juicy lip plump, but I have the one in the Shift formula. I am quite curious about that one, and the normal juicy lip plump that I have, I don't know, they have a bunch of formulas, so I don't even know which one is the normal one, but I really like the one that I have, so maybe I'm gonna try another shade but in that formula, and maybe something else from Tarte, because again they are available at our Sephora, so it is pretty easy for me to purchase. Then I have E.L.F on my list, and again E.L.F is not my favorite brand. I didn't have the best of luck with E.L.F, but in general they have interesting products and I am curious about the brand in general, so I would like to test something else. I recently tried the lip stain and I just put it on because the color was throwing me off, and I think this is way better. But right now it's a lot more brown, so it doesn't work with the eyeshadow anyway. I really like the shade. It is a nice shade, but it's not staining that much. Right now I know how to work with the Huda Beauty one, and I like that one. It was a lot of try and error, but now I know how to use the Huda Beauty one at least. Then I have Half Magic Beauty on my list, and Half Magic Beauty is available actually at Beauty Bay, which is great. So I could purchase something from E.L.F and Half Magic at the same time, which is great. And I would like to test maybe the blush. I heard a lot of good things about the blush, but I have a bunch of blushes, so we will see. And some eyeshadows maybe, but again we will see, because right now I don't want to purchase a liquid kind of eyeshadow. That is not for me, and they are quite expensive, so it is a waste for me, but I will see. It's great that I have a place where I can buy that brand from. Then we have Martin Cosmetics on my list, and again it is available at Beauty Bay, which is great. So I want to try some eyeshadows from them. I was quite curious about them, and right now they did release some smaller palettes, so maybe when they release a smaller palette that is my kind of color story, I will purchase something from them. Next we have Sigma Beauty, and I'm always buying from Sigma because my favorite eyeshadow primer, for example, it is from Sigma, so I want to repurchase that actually in the near future, because mine is almost done, which is nice, because this primer is my favorite one. But I put Sigma on my list because in 2024 I am trying something, an eyeshadow, I mean something in the eyeshadow category. So I'm looking for a smaller palette with a color story that I enjoy and a bit newer, so maybe they have the upgraded formula in that. Then I want to try something else from Beige Cosmetics as well. I actually bought something today. I'm wearing the blush from Beige Cosmetics, but I tried the blush and the highlighter, and the highlighter is my favorite highlighter at this moment. It's so nice. The blush is a bit too pigmented, but overall it is a nice blush, so I want to try even more. And they are available at an online store here in Romania. Not a lot of products, but some of them that are a bit newer, so I could see myself purchasing again from that retailer. Then I have Cosmic Brushes on my list. It is an indie brand, and I am very intrigued. I wanted to purchase so many palettes from them, but they are creating those huge palettes, and I don't want that. But the newest one, I'm gonna put a picture in here. This palette, I don't know how it is called. It's a beautiful color story, and it is a smaller palette, which is great, because I really don't want a 30 pen or whatever number palette, because it's too many shades. I can store that. It's just not for me. But something like this I could see myself buying, and I think they are a UK brand, if I can remember correctly, so they are a bit easier for me to purchase from. Then I have a Refer. I would like in 2024 as well to purchase some new brushes, because a Refer is doing so good quality brushes. So I could see myself purchasing a face brush, maybe a bronzer brush this time, because I have a blush one and it's really nice. It's shading a bit, which is kind of strange, but not a lot, just one hair here and there. It's strange, but it is so easy to clean, and it's so soft, and it is very easy to apply a pigmented blush like this one with that brush, because it is a bit fluffier. I really enjoy that brush, so maybe I'm gonna buy a bronzer brush or something like that, and some eye brushes. I think Refer is doing so good quality products. So lastly, I have 3 brands that I am intrigued about, but they are available at Sephora UK. So maybe I need to order from Sephora UK, or I need to go there, but I'm not planning on going. But I have some friends that have some family there, so maybe something will happen. But it is House Labs Give by Gwen Stefani and one size by a Patrick Star. So I'm intrigued about all of these brands, but they are not available anywhere else from what I know, so I have no idea if I will be able to purchase from these brands, but I am intrigued and I am curious about them, so I am happy that they are at least available closer to me. But this year we got Rem Beauty and Makeup by Mario and a lot of other brands, so maybe they will be available. But actually the UK got Sephora, I think, in, I don't know, November, December last year. Because I was in London in October last year and I saw a lot of posters and pictures and stuff that they will get Sephora, but it was not available yet. So yeah, I hope these brands will be available at our Sephora as well. So these were all the brands. Of course, like usual, there are a lot, so maybe I'm not gonna purchase from all of these, but these are the brands that I have my eyes on right now. So yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.